You can see this is our packing section, and this is the state we deliver. Before delivery, we will pack all the spare parts and also each part into the wooden case package. This is our finished wooden case package. We will use the expert wooden case package for package. And our workers are making the wooden case package. And each part will use the wood to fix it. We will wrap all the machines with the plastic wrap to prevent the products from the seawater and high moisture. If you have any other requirements of the products, especially for the tools or some items you want, you can also make the inquiry to us, and we will help you find the good supplier and deliver all the goods together with your machine. After we pack all the fish feed extruder or the fish feed machines, we will use the wooden case package. And each package we will make the mark on it to mark it, to identify which one is your goods. And these are the wooden case package will load in the container. And before we deliver it, our workers will check all the goods. We will pack it, and then we will deliver Chinese port firstly. And after Chinese port, we will load the container to the very big ship. It will take around 2 months on the sea, 1 or 2 months on the sea to deliver your port. We will deliver all the goods by sea.